guys, welcome back to Exfoliate, excited for learning. And today we're going to do the project, match the color. Okay, and before we go inside the project, I want to thank you so much for 300 subscribers and almost 350. So thank you, and let's go start the project. So this is a specific task to achieve the main goal. Change the background color using the sliders. We need to change the background color of this button over here, this button, guess my color button. With these three sliders. If you increase the red one, the red color will increase. If you increase the green one, the green shade will increase in the color. And if you increase the blue one, the blue shade will increase. So this is the project what we need to do. First one, a basic user interface is already created for you. You need to add the code. When any of the three sliders are changed or moved, the background color of the button should change based on the values of red, green and blue sliders. Click on one once to check if it's working. Okay, now let's go to a project. So this is what you need to do. First, because we need to create three variables because there are three sliders. Because every slider needs to change a value. And for value to change, there should be a variable. So first we need to create these three variables. X equals to X, Y and Z, any variables. But I choose X, Y and Z. So X you should keep 0, Y 0 and Z 0 because now it's going to just start. We didn't do anything. That's why it should start with 0 everything, isn't it? Okay, set property button 1, text color RGB, random number, random number, random number. So it will start by a random color. See, like now if I do again another color came. So it should start with another color, but after by the slider changing, it will change into another color. Now see, it came into pink, but now I'll reduce this. It became purple because blue and red mixes and turns into purple. And see this. Yes, now it became dark red because only red is there. And if you keep green, it's like that. It increases the shade. So green and red makes yellow, isn't it? And if you keep blue also, it made white. Because if you add all the colors, it makes into white. Because all the even a rainbow is made of so many colors, like 7 colors. And water is white, but still it makes into 7 colors. So white contains like all the colors. That's why if you keep everything full, then it will be white. Okay, so this is about the color. Now let's do about the code. So set property we understood, it's a random number because all should be random color. On event red slider change, if red slider value changes, set property button 1. So button 1, this is the button 1. If you can see the ID, the button ID button 1. Okay. Set property button 1, background color is equals to, like, background color is what will be decided with this. RGB get, so this is the first place. Now to show you example, set property, let's go to set property. See over here, over here you can, in the last one, if you keep background color, see this RGB, you get this color space. So these all RGBs make it to keep right here. And yeah, RGB. So this is what we need to do. And in set property, if you should do background color and then keep the RGB. So RGB should be get number red slider. The red should be red slider. And second one, now I'll remove this. See this, in RGB there will be 3 spaces. So you need to keep in RGB 3 spaces. Get number because you need to get the number, and RGB is based on number, isn't it? Number. So you need to keep the get number from sliders, isn't it? First is RGB means red, green and blue. So first should be red slider, second green, third blue, green, and the third one will be blue. Because RGB. So you can remember it as R is red, green, G is green, and B is blue. Not get text, it's get number. So because we are getting a number, not a text. green slider, and now blue slider, because the last is B. Set property button 1 background color to X. So now this button 1 background color is going to be the variable X, and this is the variable X. Background set property button 1 variable X. So X will be this, because this is X, what we are doing now in this. So the background color should be X, and next on event green slider change, set property button 1 background color RGB, the same thing. You need to do almost like the same thing. You can't copy in this, but it's the same thing. You can just copy it, and but you just need to change the variable X, Y, and Z, because we kept 3 variables. So background color is equals to X, Y, and Z. So now if we now see, I'll keep everything to 0. It will become black. So because I moved this, the red value is changing. See, it's becoming reddish and reddish. Now see, it increases red, redder, red, and red. Like this, it increases the red, like the red, because the red slider is changing. So it will be like a change. So the color will also change, because we said over here that RGB red slider and everything. Okay, so this is it. This is like only 16 lines, and this is really easy project. It's almost like the same thing. You just copy the 3 things, and that's what I did, because the main thing you need to understand is whenever anything changes, everything should change. Like if green slider moves, still you need to keep RGB red slider, green slider, and this. Now because there are 3 spots, even if you now you can't keep the 2 spots left. Like for green, you can't just keep the red, you can't remove the red and blue and only keep the green. That's why you should just fill it up. And this is the basic thing. This is the only thing you need to do. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And that's the end of videos. And don't forget to watch our upcoming videos for more projects. Okay, bye. And I wish you again thank you so much for almost 350 subscribers. Thank you.